Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 27th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir, a very good day for Palantir. We are up 84 cents, up 3.38%. We closed at 25.71. Post-market, we are down just 2 cents. Let's look at this. As I mentioned yesterday, we have been having these higher lows. Look at this here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So this was effectively a ascending triangle. So there's the ascending part that I just showed you, and there's the flat part that is a resistance. And because we have an ascending triangle, the lows are getting higher and higher, and this is telling us that sellers are not willing to sell as low as yesterday. The sellers are in a good position because they can sell higher and higher, and the buyers want to buy higher and higher. So basically, this is what we are seeing, and we broke today, we broke 25.11. So 25.11 has been a resistance that we have been seeing here since August 12th. We have had a hard time closing above it and staying above it. So this is 1 day above it, but we are a lot more above it than when we were above 25.11 on August 18th. So our move is a lot stronger. And look at this resistance. 25.74 is still in play, and our 25.11 is now support. So a significant move today for Palantir, not just in terms of the pricing, but in terms of breaking a resistance. The fact that the body of the candle is very close to 25.74 is telling me that 25.74 is also a significant resistance. It was used on August 12th, it was almost used on August 19th, and it was used today for the body of the candle. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand what happened. So we had higher lows, and when we opened today, we just smashed it super hard. Nice green candle, broke 25.74 during the first hour, then second, third, fourth, fifth hour, and we were starting to feel some weakness a little bit, and we closed just underneath 25.74, and we ended the week with a candle that has a longer wick at the bottom than at the top, so with some selling pressure towards the end. All very nice. We are very happy to see this. Let me go back to the daily chart. So MACD, the 2 lines of MACD is spreading even more. This is giving some new life here, and I'm very happy to see this. So look at stochastic. Stochastic has had a hard time breaking over 80. It was at 80.81, 79, 83, just overall having a hard time breaking 80. And now look at this today, we are at 91. Boom. Also, DMI wise, DMI is getting even better. The red line of DMI is going down. So the bearishness of the stock has decreased, and the bullishness expressed by the green line has increased. Very nice. So the case scenario would be that we break 25.74 next week. That's my wish. It's Friday. Let's go crazy. Look at this. Boom, boom. This is what we need. This is what we need. A break over 25.74, then a retest of 25.74, and maybe a retest of this at the same time. And let's just continue, go up until, and we are in a upward channel. So we should be able to go until 31, 32, depending on how long we take to go there. So that's the target. Target is 31-ish. So that's my wish. And the last thing I'm going to say is about the RSI. So look at this. I like to see this. I had drawn a resistance on the RSI because the RSI shows the weakness, the strength in the stock. and their strength was decreasing. But with this move today, look at what is happening with RSI. So we broke outside of that resistance. So we are showing really a strong move today, and both stochastic and RSI taking it into account. Great way to end the week for Palantir. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month as a member, and you will get an exclusive access to my weekly technical analysis where we look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir, both of them on the same video. And if you happen to be there on the interwebs at the same time as I stream this video, then you will be able to attend the stream with me and chat with me. So join me. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.